Welcome to the video for Genee's software licensing portal. The licensing portal is where you go to obtain your Genee software, and this can be at any point through your ownership. So when you first purchase your Genee products, you'll receive an email from us that gives you all your login details to the licensing portals. You can see there you've got your username and a temporary password and a link to the licensing site. If you click on the link to the licensing site, you can enter your email and password as it's provided to you, and you'll get to your homepage. You'll see in the yellow there you've got some notifications of what software you've been sent, and you can see down below we've got licenses. We've got 1 license for Spark and 3 licenses for Project Flow. If you click manage licenses, you'll see your licenses. Now I'm going to claim this license for Spark 2. So when I click the claim button, it asks me how many licenses to claim. If you click confirm, that license has then been claimed. You own that license, and you can see we've now got a download button to be able to download our software. At any time if you log back into the portal, you will be able to see that link and access your software. Now for cloud-based software like Project Flow, it's slightly different. If I click to manage my licenses here, you can see I've got 3 licenses. I'm going to claim those. Again, I choose how many, but the difference is I've now got an email address box. Because this is cloud software, I might be relating this software to a particular user, so I'm going to type their email address in. I can choose whether to send them a notification so they know they've got the license and how to access it, or I can manage that myself if I want to manage that in admin. If I click confirm, I now have that license, and you can see if we go show licenses on the right here, so you can see we've got 1 claim there. If I click show licenses and scroll down, you can see the details of all the licenses that are held within your organization and who has them. So you've got the full details as an administrator on the licenses held for all your Genee software. Now this is really useful for you in many ways, and you've got a link there to open the website for Project Flow to take you to log in. One other thing you may like to do is to manage the users within here. You may want to add a secondary user so that somebody else can manage the licenses for you. So if you click on Organization and Users, here are your users. If you create a new user with administrator rights, they can then allocate and manage your licenses on your behalf. I hope you found this video helpful on a brief little introduction, and please contact us for any further questions.